Umbo Computer Vision.
Hello everyone, my name is Vicky. I'm from Umbo Computer Vision. And we are artificial intelligence company which providing the autonomous security to the people and make the things more efficient. Our company actually founded in 2014. One of our co-founders has the robotic background, and his team won the robotic challenge in United States for XDARPA for 2 years. Until today, our company has the investment for more than $9.6 million and sold to more than 500 different end users and into 13 verticals, which including the alarm monitoring, education, commercial, residential, and so on. So, what's the problem that we want to resolve? There are more than 400 million of the camera on the world, and majority of them still heavily rely on the human operator to monitor the system. And we want to help them through our autonomous video security, identifying them on the abnormal situation, so they can get the alert easily. At the same time, they can be monitored from 12 cameras to hundreds of cameras at the same time. So, Umbo Light is using our rapid convolutional neural network, which is deep learning, and unlike the traditional video analytics, the video analytics, they will be having the rule-based or the motion-based. Rule-based is very complicated to set up with. And then the motion-based, it will be every motion in the video, they will be starting to alert. So it will give a lot of false alarm. Please take a look into these videos. We teach the system. We teach the system to identifying the people in these videos. So actually, you can see we are able to identify the people by the pixel label, by ignoring the tree waves, the cars, or the animals crossing. In this video, actually shows you on the beside of alarm on the monitor, the people. Actually, we can also giving the alarm or giving the count on the number of people in the rooms. Actually, this will giving the wider abilities to our system, not for only security. So this is coming up some features that we already released for the someone's here scaling the wall, and then so on. We were having these features in next several months. Our solution, Umbo solution, we are providing the end-to-end solution. So we do have the learning cameras, and then with the cloud management platform, customer can be notified along on the abnormal situation easily for their mobile and laptop. At the same time, because I mentioned earlier, there are so many cameras on the market, we are able to get their cameras fitting by the existing cameras through the RTSP via our cloud. We will do the analytics based on cloud service. And they can enjoy the same kind of recognition from our system. As a summary, that Umbo, we are an autonomous video security provider, and we would like to help the customer to identify the abnormal situation easily without staring at the monitor all the time. And there are a lot of features upcoming we are doing, but we would like to bring the computer vision to next level by recognizing the human behaviors. Thank you. This is Umbo Vision.
Thank you very much. Now, please, the distinguished judge, 5 minutes to yours.
I would like to know how many patents you have in the Umbo company.
Actually, that we are doing the At the moment, we are able to recognize the humans. And after the humans, actually, what we are doing is we are identifying them into the different kind of actions. For example, if I go back here, these are all based on the human detections, but we are doing furthermore. For example, someone crossing the areas, or if there is someone climbing on the fence or the walls, and then later we can be like having the people loitering in the areas. So actually, we are based on the human recognition at this stage, and then later on we will bring some more like patterns coming.
Thanks for the presentation. Who are your target customers?
Okay, so for our target customer, actually there are varieties. First of all, we are doing for the system integrators, the traditional system integrator, and they are actually installing the CCTV system. At the same time, we are also working with the alarm monitoring company. So back to my slide before, actually you can see that we are dedicating on the reducing the false alarm, so we can actually helping them to reduce the human resources, so they can be monitor more camera at the same time, and also for the telecommunication companies.
I know at least 10 startups that are working on the same thing. Why? What is your main differentiation between the competitors that you have?
Okay, so for our company, actually we are dedicating on the provide end-to-end solution. Most of the company, they may have, most of company may have like one single component. Some of them have the cameras, some of them have the cloud platform, some of them have the back-end solution, which is the AI. But we are dedicating on the provider end-to-end solution. So we want to give the customer seamless user experience and the simplicity. At the same time, we are dedicating on the human behaviors. So like at the moment we recognize the human, and later on we would like to bring the violence, the fighting detection to the public.
Sorry if I missed it, but did you talk about your traction? Like what has happened so far? No? Okay. So what kind of traction do you have? In other words, are people using this? How many people are using it? Are you selling revenue? Anything?
Okay. So if I back to the earlier, that actually we already sold to more than 500 different kind of end users. That will be including one of them is the Fortune Top 500 for the global organization, the offices. And then also for the alarm monitoring company, because they have a lot of sites that they have made monitoring the factory or the car yard. And actually for our revenue wise, that we have been sold for thousands of camera in the past 2 years. We're really starting to launch this market in 2016.
What's your revenue right now?
Our revenue actually that you can be saying that because we are having the visas models, so it will be continuing, and it the $1 million.
Are you saying you're making millions of dollars right now in revenue?
Into the including the hardwares.
Right now?
You are selling $1 million right now?
Yeah, yearly, millions. That for the specific numbers that actually we will be looking to the 2 millions.
So in which countries and regions of the world are you operating at the moment?
We are our headquarters is in Taiwan, and then we do have the sales office in the United States, and also the research office in London.
I mean, where do you make your money? Which markets do you make your money
the
from?
market, the major market would be the United States, and then also Taiwan for both of the places that we got the office in.
Sorry, one more time.
Yeah.
Very specifically.
Yeah.
How much revenue did you make last month or
last year?
Last year,
2
1
million.
year. $2 million in the last 12
Yeah.
months, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Still have another 20 seconds left.
I just wanted to hear about the fees of this service.
Yep.
So I think you said you made $2 million.
Yes.
How many customers are there?
For more than 500.
500.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for our second team.
Thank you.
Big round of applause. Umbo Computer Vision from Taiwan. Okay, don't forget that each team is a